So here's what I did. Once I know that this is my goal, once I take 100% responsibility that I can make it happen, and I believe that I can make it happen, I visualize success. So I cut out a page from a magazine that had the RX8 on it, and I put it on my vision board. I would look at it every day and I would visualize what it looks like. Right? I would close my eyes and I could see the interior of the car. That I could see that my hands is right here, right? I can see the stick, right? I can see the whole car. I can see the interior. I can feel the leather seat, and I would visualize and visualize and visualize until it becomes so vivid in my mind that I could see it. I could smell it. I could feel it, right? I could feel this. I deserve this. This is what I could do. And I do that every day. Visualize my success. So that's habit number 4. You have to visualize your success. Habit number 5. Successful people act as if.